can't see it, but he should be here right now.
It's dinosaur.
It's gonna hurt you at all. Oh, look at that! Marcella, what do you think of that? It's okay. Say it's okay, Dad. Say hi, Daddy. Woo! The boat parade.
Uh-oh.
Don't be scared. It's okay. I'm scared of fire. You're okay. You're gonna be a firefighter. You can be a firefighter, not ever be afraid. Woo! Yay!
Hey, do you see all the water?
Yeah!
See all the water? The water makes you safe.
It's a dinosaur.
My crazy friend does.
Is it? I think it's great. Wow! It's okay. He's right next to my best friend's boat. I bring my daughter here like every day almost, or every other day. Whoever fires. Wow, that's pretty. It's not gonna hurt you. You're safe, honey. You're safe.
She's getting used to it.
You're safe. You're gonna be okay. Nothing to be sorry about. Look at this little boat. That boat looks very heavily loaded.
That's one we should be scared about.
I know, really.
Look at the pretty boat out there with the Christmas tree on top. It's okay. It's fun. Woo! Yay! Don't be sorry. There's a
All I'm getting out of here for.
Woo!
I would have to be trying to find you.
That's a little bit scary to me sitting in that boat, man. They won't hurt you, honey. You're not going to get hurt at all. Wow. Wow, that's a pretty boat. This is nice because they turn around right here.
Have a good one, you guys.
Me too. Great. Oh,
that's
look at
cool.
that. That's gorgeous.
This is the very